It's an incredible time to be doing this from scratch. And there are 14, 16, 17 fundamental things about all of the existing CRMs that are never going to change and are huge drawbacks. Fundamentally, these systems are supposed to be working for you, and they end up being things that we work for. There are a few fundamental problems. There's the data problem where there just isn't canonical data. But, even the best CRM implementation on the planet is probably 40, 50% of the data that it even thinks that it should have, let alone what is now possible. So that's the first problem, is how do you actually populate this thing so that it has all of the information so that you can do your job? The second problem is user workflow. Where do you start? How do you get something done? How do you answer a question? Typically, if you see a heavy CRM user at work, you're going to see 40 tabs open with that CRM, all the way across. And so it's very easy to lose your place. It's very easy to lose the plot, and you're not working back and forth with it to really understand a relationship. And that leads into the third part, which is walking away from it with some sort of work product. CRM users are not sitting down and doing things, asking questions, getting answers, and then walking away with an incredible internal memo or a knowledge base article or an email draft or prep notes for a meeting. That's happening somewhere else. Maybe it's happening in Notion or Google Docs or something. And it seems like a really obvious thing that you should be able to sit down. The CRM has the full history of everything that's happened between the company and the customers. It's extremely obvious where to start.